Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we're gonna learn how to construct graphs on Excel. So here we have got a data with us, which is of course a prerequisite to construct graph. So we'll select the data, click on insert. Over here we can see different sorts of graphs which are available for us. We'll click on the top right option and select whatever graph it is that we want to choose from the available alternatives. And as evident here, everything is quite messed up. I want to assign years to the x-axis, so we'll select the x-axis, right click, and then we'll select data, and from the listed options we'll click on edit and then select data and which we need, and which in this case are the years, and click on OK. And now you can see that in the x-axis we'll notice that it's been replaced by the years. Now in place of series, I want items, so we'll click on series 1 and then select the items we need and click OK. So similarly we'll follow the same steps for the rest, and in the end your bar graph would look something like this. And you can add backgrounds and designs to to make it look like more presentable for your maybe meetings or events or anything that is. So now if we want to make a pie chart, we'll select the data, we'll go to insert, and then we can choose any pie chart of our choice, of a liking. Now I'll choose the donut one for this. Now exactly similar to the previous one, we'll select the data and right click and then select data, and from here we are gonna go to the items and we're gonna deselect it and click OK. And now you can see that the data has been organized properly. So the data which was on the left side has been compiled in the pie chart. So this is very simple to use.
And if I want line graph, select the data, go into insert and select area graph, which is known as line graph also, and select that and choose your favorite line graph. I will prefer this one because it looks nice. So here also everything is messed up, so click on the data and right click, select data, and you will be getting something like this, and click on something, any of the options, and click on edit, and you are able to select the data which you want in the x-axis and click on OK, and you can see x-axis is filled with years. Similarly, if you want male cries wheat, salt and sugar instead of series, select series and edit and choose which item you want and select on edit and click on OK. And similarly follow these steps and do it to the all series, and you can see something line graph like this. And you can add designs to it by going to chart design and select any of the design which you like. And if you ask me to show everything in one slide, it will be like this, every chart in single slide. And thank you for watching my video, and stay tuned for more videos on Excel. Thank you.